Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Once again, sorry, no face cam, still sick, still allergy season, but I wanted to bring you this video today. It is from Rosalind. This is not sponsored. They didn't send this to me. I bought it with my money on Amazon, and of course I'll leave you the link as usual. This is the Dark Night series. It is gel nail polish. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Interesting, as I read through these ingredients, you know what I don't see is the word HEMA. I don't know if one of these other words mean that same thing as well, but I don't see that, which is interesting because Rosalind is one of the more affordable brands, so you would think it would have HEMA. It also says 7 free. It does not contain parabens, gluten, formaldehyde resin, DBP, whatever that is, toluene, or camphor. Interesting. So for an affordable brand, it does seem to be making an effort to reduce allergens in the product. Let's open her up and see what we have. So this is what you see when you initially open it up. I believe this is just instructions. Yeah, if you want to read it, pause it. I don't know if you even can. These words are so tiny, but I think if you're watching this video, you probably know how gel polish works. All right, let's take a look at these polishes. You may be able to tell from these bottles that there's 2 different colors on here. What is that? I tell you what it is. It's glow in the dark. Super exciting. These are neons and they glow in the dark. This is perfect for the summer season. Summer neons, you go out at night, your nails are glowing. Fantastic. Let's open these up and have a look. All right, let's try and look at these one at a time. So this one is C045. It's a purple. This is kind of thick. It's gonna be really good. I bet the opacity is wonderful. We're gonna see, but I'm gonna be using them for nail art, so it's gonna be a little bit specific, and I believe it's gonna glow a different shade of purple. I will absolutely be including their glows. C046. What a lovely shade of blue that is. Also thick. This is one of my favorite shades of blue. I really like that. C044. We may have gotten out of order a little bit, but look at that green. Ooh, this one's a little bit jelly-like. It's kind of transparent, but boy, it pops. It doesn't look anything in the camera like it does in real life. In the camera, it is a lighter shade. It's more vibrant and a little darker in real life. C043. This one's a nice light blue. It is much thicker, much more opaque than the other blue. This is a sky blue. I like that too. C041. Ooh. This color is also a sheer, like a jelly. It is between like a hot pink and a red. That is very pretty. C042. Look at that neon yellow. Also another that's a bit jelly looking. It kind of reminds me of a highlighter. So we've got a couple that are jellyish and sheer and a couple that are super thick and opaque. I like having that bit of a variety, and yet they're all still neon. They are all still glow in the dark. They are going to be fantastic for what we're going to do today, and we're going to use this one as our base. C018. It's just kind of a nude, which is going to be perfect for what we're going to do. And then we will just be using these Rosalind top coat and base coats. We've got a helper today. This is Miss Thing from Nail Nobility. I did stick on these little stiletto nails with sticky tabs. Now the white underneath it are actually some different nail tips, and I had the most difficult time getting them on here to stick. Let me show you. So like this one has already come up. Like nothing sticks to this silicone, and when you just put them straight in, they stick up. I don't know what to do about that. If you know, let me know, because that is super annoying. We'll start with our base coat. Now, as I'm painting on here, you may notice that these nails are actually up on top of the cuticle, but the reason for that is because I'm hoping to be able to take these nails off of here after and actually use them. So the idea is I need to cover the whole nail and not have part of it hidden behind the cuticle. Let's put on our base color. I don't know if I just didn't see what I was doing, but I have no idea what happened here. Let's do a second coat. Alright, so we've got that part done. Normally I would wipe between layers with an alcohol wipe, but I forgot to bring it. So we're gonna just start the nail art. I am going to start with making some dots with this dotting tool. And then I'm going to take this tiny little brush and try and point these so that they will be like flower petals, but I've already messed this one up. I am not good at this. We gotta do what we gotta do. That's the plan. I'm hoping I put enough on here, I think so. This is really hard to do without turning the hand around. That's a pretty ugly flower, but it's the flower we have. And then let's put another one on here. This one's gonna be kind of fell off the side. Let's see if I can wipe some of this one up, because that looked a little stupid. I don't know if I would say it's a good look, but it'll do. Let's grab the next finger. Pardon me if I'm not doing a lot of talking, it's because I have to concentrate to be able to do this. That one's not that bad. These flowers are a little bit SpongeBob-y, if I do say so myself. They are not that symmetrical, but that's okay. Let's put that in the lamp. Alright, so we've got all the flowers on it, we've got them cured. Now at this point, I do definitely recommend wiping with alcohol. The reason for that is the sticky layer, the dispersion layer, can sometimes smear and contain color, and so then when you top coat, it can streak that color down, and that looks disgusting. So you just want to wipe that off to make sure that it does not happen. As you can see, we got some color on the wipe. Let's go in with the top coat. Okay, so here's what we have. What do you think? I think it's pretty cute. Let me try and turn off the lights since this just came out of the lamp. Okay, we're getting some glow. It's not super bright, but it was only in the lamp for a moment. Oh, it's going away. Let me see if I can stick it in again and pull it out fresh. Ooh, look at that. That is glowing. It is very bright when it first comes out of the lamp. I love it. I like how they glow different colors as well, instead of just glowing all green like sometimes glows can be. Looks like our glow is fading. The camera has a hard time looking at it is the issue. I'm trying to zoom out so that it can get an accurate view, but it's like, I don't know what I'm looking at here. Yes, zoom. And also it's not the darkest room in the world, but yeah, so I mean it doesn't glow a super long time. It is still glowing, but the light seems to be trying to adjust. I love that. That is very adorable. Let's turn the light back on so we can talk though. Alright, so that's it. We've got it. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you have this kit. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but the link will be in the description, and I think these are definitely worth getting. They are bright with and without the glow. You do get a good variety of color. It is perfect for this season. I don't earn any money from the link that I'm gonna leave you. I'm gonna leave it because I really enjoy these products. I'm actually a big fan of Rosalind products. I have a ton of them, and in fact, you're gonna see some videos about some of those in the upcoming week. So Rosalind, if you wanna sponsor me or send me some PR or something to review, please holler at me. I am here. But guys, that is it. We will wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. I do appreciate all of it. Make sure you are subscribed. We are getting ever closer to that giveaway, of course. And then do make sure you are following me on my socials. My links are below in the description. I post things over there that may not make it to YouTube, so you want to be there for that as well. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.